Hello everyone and welcome to another tip of the week. Today I'd like to share a quick prospecting idea with you. Back before COVID, I was out for lunch with a dealer customer of ours, and at the end of the meal I asked him if he was going to tell the waitress what he did for a living before we headed back to the dealership. And his response was, I was not planning on it. And of course I asked him why, and he replied with, I never really thought about it. So when the waitress brought over the check for us to pay, I asked her if there was any chance that she or anyone she knew was in the market for a new car. Surprisingly, she said, how ironic. My sister had just mentioned to her over the weekend that she was considering a new car. I immediately told her that we work at the local dealership and would be honored if she gave her sister one of our business cards and told her that we would be happy to help her out. She was very appreciative and said that she would definitely give our card to her sister. Now, I'm not sure whether or not her sister actually called or came to the dealership, but the point of today's session is this. You always have to make sure that everyone you come in contact with knows what you do for a living. That is, that you sell cars. This concept is purely a numbers game, but one you must be willing to play. Is the idea going to sell you an additional 5 cars per month? Of course not, but it will sell you some. You just never know when. Always, and I mean always, have plenty of business cards on you and never hesitate to let people know what you do for a living. You will be amazed at what this can do to help you sell just a few more cars. Good luck, everyone, and please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.